Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Zoom profile picture. Having a professional or personalized profile picture helps others identify you quickly during meetings, especially when your camera is off. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open the Zoom app on your device. Once it's launched, you'll need to either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This is important because the profile picture settings are accessed while you're actually in a Zoom meeting, not from the main menu. Go ahead and start or join any meeting to proceed. Once you're inside the meeting, look down at the bottom of your Zoom app window. You'll see several control options displayed there. Navigate to the one labeled Participants and click on it. This will open up a panel on the right side of your screen, showing everyone who's currently in the meeting, including yourself. In this right panel, locate your own profile name in the participants list. Once you've found it, you'll notice 3 dotted lines or a menu icon next to your name. Click on those 3 dotted lines to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Edit Profile Picture. This is where you'll be able to customize what others see when they look at your participant list. A new window will pop up showing your current profile picture or placeholder. Look for the button that says Change Picture and click on it. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and select an image. Browse to the location where your desired profile picture is saved, click on the image file, and then click Open to upload it. After the image uploads, Zoom gives you the option to adjust its position. You can drag the image around to frame it exactly how you want it to appear. This is particularly useful if you need to center your face or adjust the composition. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save to finalize your new profile picture. And that's it. Your Zoom profile picture is now set up and will appear whenever you join meetings going forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.